Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the IIYAMA monitor and I'm going to tell you how you can easily adjust all your audio settings. So at first you have to click the menu button and go with the minus button or plus to the audio icon. Here menu button again, and here we have two options: volume level, and we can click menu button, and here we can now increase or decrease it with the minus and plus button. And this is the first option in the audio adjustments. Now menu icon to apply, and here we have the second option, which is called mute. Here if you click the menu icon, we can easily mute our monitor speakers here or unmute them. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.